Hello guys, it appears that some websites is revealed that the original recording of the classic THX Dino sound effect recorded by James Andy Moore has been completely lost. After making its first cinematic appearance during the premiere of Return of the Jedi back in 1983, the original master tape recording was lost, and the inventor of the sound effect tried to replicate it using the same machine we'll call the audio signal processor or the SoundDroid. Some sound effects heard in the 80s Lucasfilm movies like Indiana Jones had synthesized sound effects because it came from the audio signal processor, which was known for creating the deep note sound effect from THX. However, he tried to replicate the sound he did for the logo before, but failed. So instead, magnetic and optical recordings from 35 and 70mm prints were just copies and were used for the company for many years since they didn't want more trailers. Since they didn't want the future trailers to have no deep note. It was created as a sound test to check if the sound system from the theater, is to see if it works. So I want you to all look for the original master tape recording to the original THX demo to see if it's still there, or look for Lucasfilm to see if it was there, or look for the sound vault or whatever plays. So leave a like, subscribe, and the first to comment will get pinned. So good luck to you all, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.